Hibernate Session merge method. 1. The merge method is to update a persistent entity instance with new field values from a detached entity instance. 2. Once the existing values are updated, the method creates a copy from the entity object and returns it. 3. This result object goes into the persistent context and is then tracked for any changes further and saved when transaction is committed. 4. The original object that was initially used is not tracked. 5. Objects which have been detached and are no longer associated with any persistent entities can be reattached by calling session.merge method of session class. Next, functionalities of merge method. 1. It finds an entity instance by ID taken from the past object. Either an existing entity instance from the persistence context is retrieved, or a new instance loaded from the database. 2. Copies fields from the past object to this instance. 3. Returns a newly updated instance. Please refer to the example below. Note, the merge method returns an object. It's the new merged student object we loaded into the persistence context and updated, not the student object that we passed as an argument. They're two different objects, and we usually need to discard the student object. Next, as with the persist method, the merge method to have certain semantics that we can rely upon. 1. If the entity is detached, it copies upon an existing persistent entity. 2. If the entity is transient, it copies upon a newly created persistent entity. 3. This operation cascades for all relations with cascade equals merge or cascade equals all mapping. 4. If the entity is persistent, then this method call doesn't have an effect on it, but the cascading still takes place. Please refer to the key points. Thank you for watching this video and please support our channel. Good luck!